Good afternoon to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Birla Tyre share. So in the previous video we have discussed about Alok Industries. I have discussed what is the possible levels and what are the negatives of the company. So I have discussed everything. So please watch that video. And I discussed in the previous video about Adani Green also. So it has given upper circuit. I recommended that share when it was in lower circuit only. Okay, so that is the power of level. So that way I tell that please subscribe to the channel to not miss any update. Okay, so when we consider Birla Tyre share, we know that it belongs to the evergreen segment of tires. So whenever we consider any automobiles like two-wheeler, three-wheeler or four-wheeler, one common part is the tire. So we can never neglect a tire segment. Okay, so why only Birla? Because if we see the movement of Birla since past few months, we can see it has given huge returns. So now I'll show you the returns. You will be shocked to see the returns, very huge returns it has. And if we see today's market, we see that almost all the upper circuit stocks have given a breakout. So almost all are trading in lower circuits. This is completely operator game. Okay, but we should not lose our hope. We should always follow the levels and add small amount, okay, into these type of stocks for future returns. Okay, so in this video I'll show you I'll show you the technicals. So focus on the levels, okay, and invest in small quantities. If you invest in small quantities, you will be safe on both the sides. Rest of the thing is up to you whether you want to invest or not. So if you see the complete company overview, you see that the market cap is only 685 crores. And if I tell you about this company, this is recently listed. It was listed around February 10th, 2020. So it's a recent IPO. Okay, and nothing is there about this company. Dividend, everything is not given. Okay, industry, whereas industry P is 90, but this P is not there because the company doesn't declare its financial results. So that is one negative point. So the company should update the results so that the investors will get a clear idea about the company. Okay, so if you see today 3rd July around 12:20, so if you see that quantity traded is around this much, and the deliverable quantity is also there. So delivery is also there. Since it means that so many investors are very keen to buy this share. Okay, but right now it's not the right moment to buy the share. Okay, and if we see percentage delivery is around 59.94. Okay, so deliveries from 100% are reduced to 60%. So 60% people are adding it into their account. Okay, so I'll tell the levels where you need to focus. Okay, if we see the shareholding, we see that it is recently listed and its promoter holding is 55.85. Okay, and pledging is 44.82. So pledging is one thing, okay, which is present in this share, and that should be not be neglected. Okay, 44% is the pledging. Okay, and apart from that, everything FI's holding is 0.08. Okay, and DI's holding is 17.34, and financial institutions is 0.13%, and mutual fund holding is also slightly there. So if we see the returns of this in almost 3 months, okay, in almost 3 months it has given around 1357.7% returns. Okay, it has given huge returns. Okay, it has given huge returns in the span of 3 months, and in 1 month 160% returns, and 1 week 15.21% return. So now it started its downward journey, and it will not last long. So remember that. So again it should start retracing. So we'll discuss the levels where we need to focus. Okay, so firstly let me show you the 1 week chart. Okay, so the 1 week chart, clearly we can find the levels. So you can see from 52.8, I guess today it went to 53, and from there it started retracing back, and the possible levels you need to watch out is 31.06 and 21.32. Okay, so these are the possible levels you need to watch out. So once these levels come, so start investing in small quantity, not heavy quantity, small quantity you need to start investing. I have discussed in other videos also, like pharma companies have given the levels, they've exactly obeyed that. So follow the technicals, don't do any sort of gambling by investing hefty amount of money. Okay, follow the rules. So stock market is all about requires patience. Okay, without patience we can't get success. Okay, So we need to focus on the levels. That's why I tell, if you subscribe the channel, you will not miss any update. Next, next, if we see the 1 day chart, we can see that same levels 52 and 31 and 21 levels, and the money flow index is now going to the oversold region. Okay, and it will continue its oversold journey for a few days. Okay, then we need to enter. When it comes to 31 or 21, we need to add in small quantities. Okay, so this is all about Birla Tile shares, but nothing results are there to discuss for this company because it has not given any data about its profits or losses. So in next video we'll discuss about another share. So please subscribe the channel, and until then, take care. Bye bye.